Welcome to my video. This is the second class of tense. Past tense. Past tense is a verb form used to talk about actions, events, or situations that happened before now and are already finished. 1. Simple past tense. It talks about a finished action in the past. Structure: subject plus past verb plus object. Example: I visited Dhaka last week. The visit happened and is finished. The verb visited is the past form of the verb visit. The action visiting Dhaka happened in the past and is completely finished. The time marker, last week, shows a specific time in the past. 2. Past continuous tense. It talks about an action that was happening at a certain time in the past. Structure: subject plus was were plus verb with ing plus object. Example: they were playing football at 5 p.m. yesterday. The action was in progress at that time. The main verb is playing play ing form. The helping verb is were past form of are. Together, were playing shows an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. 3. Past perfect tense. It talks about an action that happened before another action in the past. Structure: subject plus had past participle plus object. Example: she had finished her homework before I arrived. Homework was finished first, then I arrived. Had finished had past perfect auxiliary finished past participle of finish. Past perfect shows an action that happened before another action in the past. Subject: she had past perfect auxiliary, past participle finished, object her homework, time clause before I arrived. 4. Past perfect continuous tense. It talks about an action that was happening for some time before another action in the past. Structure: subject plus had been plus verb with ing plus object. Example: he had been working in the garden for 2 hours. Continuous work happened before the rain started. Had been working had been past perfect continuous auxiliary and working present participle of work. This tense shows an action that started in the past, continued for some time, and ended before another past event. Thanks for watching. My next video will be future tense.